What's going on, guys? So today I'll show you how to make web pages more readable using Mercury Reader. Now, if you've ever read an article off of Google and have just seen that it's bombarded with ads and pictures and it's kind of hard to read, there is an add-on on Google or an extension that makes these pages easier to read. So what you want to do is go to the top here and type Chrome Web Store. And now here, by the way, this tab is an article that is like harder to read, right? And I'm going to use Mercury Reader on it later. But anyways, you want to go to Chrome Web Store, click on the first link right here, chrome.google.com/webstore. And then in search the store, type Mercury Reader. Okay, you want this first guy, not Pixel kind of Apocalypse or fully. This guy, 1,709 reviews. Mercury Reader. Clear all the clutter from all of your articles. This is the one. So click Add to Chrome right here, and then click Add Extension, and that'll pop up in the right. Yes, I don't want to turn on sync because I just want it on this computer, so I'm going to close. And now I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to go to the top right here on extensions, and I'm going to pin Mercury Reader to the top right here. Okay. If you don't want it showing, you just click unpin, but if you want it to show, click pin. I usually pin all of my add-ons just so I can access them quick. I don't want to have to click the add-on tab and then click on them. But anyways, so now that Mercury Reader is pinned, all I have to do is click him on the top right here. Oh, I have to refresh this page, sorry. Okay. Now I click Mercury Reader. Start using Mercury Reader. Boom. Now it is a lot more readable, takes away all the pictures, all the ads, and just makes it an easy to read article. You can do this with a bunch of different web pages, Wikipedia, anything you want almost. Like that's an article basically. So hopefully you guys found this quick little video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.